Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But wait, before you scroll away, imagine this. You open 99 in the forest, type a secret code, and suddenly, boom, free diamonds appear right in your account. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's 100% real, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. All right, let's jump straight in. First, open the game on your device and tap on the currency shop. Here, you'll see a small box where you can enter those secret redeem codes. That's the secret spot to unlock your free diamonds instantly. Now let's try one of the latest working codes together. Type this code, After Party. And boom, look at that, it works perfectly. Your diamonds will appear instantly in your account. That's how fast and easy it is to grab free rewards in 99 in the forest. But listen carefully. Not every code works all the time. Some are already expired and won't give you any rewards anymore. For example, codes like Forest 99 or Diamond Tree no longer work. So always make sure you're using the latest and active ones to get your rewards right on time. Now here's a bonus tip just for you. If the code doesn't work for you, don't panic. Simply comment your in-game username below this video. I'll personally pick a few lucky players and send them exclusive in-game gifts for free. But here's the deal. I'll only start the giveaway once this video hits 1,000 likes. So if you want to join, hit that like button right now, share this video with your friends, and comment your username for a chance to win. The faster we reach 1,000 likes, the faster I'll start sending the rewards. That's all for today's video. Try these working codes, grab your free diamonds, and enjoy the game to the fullest. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more code updates and secret tips in 99 in the forest. See you in the next one.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.